Okay, welcome back to the channel, and we're just going to unbox the DJI RS. Suits the RS5. I think you can use it on the older ones, but it won't have all the functionality. This is the Enhanced Intelligent Tracking Module. So we'll open it up. We'll see what comes in the box. Take off the security seal. Not expecting much to be in here, to be honest. It should be fairly quick and straightforward. Like I was saying, this really suits the RS5. Let's pull these things out. Okay, so there's two parts to it. All right. Okay. It does have a little manual of some kind here, telling you about the module. So in the box, it does have a little manual telling you about the module. I'll just move that box out of the way. Let's open these up. So this is obviously a mount. Okay, I thought it went straight onto the gimbal, but okay, so it has a mount which locks and unlocks onto the top of the gimbal somewhere. Okay, so up here on this end, this is going to come around onto there, and it's going to clip on. That's you can see the connections there. Actually, why is it going to do that? Let me just have a look and see. Let me just see if this module will go on top without doing that. So this is the actual module itself. This is a camera. There you go. That's the Intelligent Tracking Module. Now I know that it will clip on and off to here. Okay, pretty simple. Clip on and off. But what I don't know is, will this clip on and off to the top of the gimbal directly? Yes, it will. So I'll have to read what this is all about. This might provide some extra functions, or perhaps perhaps if your camera's a certain size or whatever, maybe you need this in a different spot. I don't know exactly. I'm not going to speculate too much. You can read about that. But when you buy the RS Enhanced Tracking Module, that is what you get. Okay, I'll leave it at that. I'll leave this out on the table. And thanks for watching. You can comment, like, and subscribe. I'll try and answer any questions I can. I'll get to use it shortly, so I will know why they've supplied this extra piece. But that's what you get. Again, thank you.